Argentinians love to grill. I'm gonna grill this calamari to make a warm calamari salad, but I wanna give it flavor. Light on the salt. It is, after all, a creature of a sea. Garlic, chili flakes, and olive oil. A fast marinade, and onto the grill. Now, back into Argentinians love to grill everything. Avocado not only gets a total different layer of flavor on the grill, but it's also a great way to make your not-so-ripe avocado ready to eat. This is such an easy salad and such a fancy looking one that when you make this, it's gonna look like you've been working all day. For the vinaigrette, I want orange. Now, a great way of getting all the orange juice out of an orange is by using a fork. The flesh of the orange breaks as you squeeze it in, getting as much flavor as possible. A simple dressing, a touch of black pepper, because I use chili flakes on the calamari, and extra virgin olive oil. And now I'm ready for the licorice flavor of fennel. I'm gonna do something a little atypical. I'm gonna give the salad a small massage. By doing this, I break the crispiness of the fennel and I make sure that every single piece of the salad has absorbed the sweetness of the orange juice and the lusciousness of the olive oil. It's ready. This can be a salad or a very fancy appetizer. The avocado has softened and is perfectly ripe with a touch of golden crunch. To finish it all off, a little extra virgin olive oil. Fast, easy, fancy-looking dish I have here. So tender. This is definitely how I'm starting my next dinner party.